How to use the super resolution effect. Resize your images without losing quality with super resolution. On the Effects tab, click the AI Effects dropdown and select Super Resolution. Choose your preferred unit of measurement, adjust the resolution, and set the image size by editing the width and height fields. Once you're happy with the settings, click Apply to finalize the changes. Continue watching this tutorial for more details on how to use super resolution with PhotoPad. The super resolution tool is perfect for resizing images without compromising quality. It maintains sharpness and resolution, making it ideal for high-quality prints or detailed edits. To begin, open your image in PhotoPad. Go to the Effects tab, click the AI Effects dropdown, and select Super Resolution. The Super Resolution layer will display in the Effects and Layers panel on the right side, where you can choose your preferred unit of measurement from the Units dropdown. Adjust the resolution in the Resolution field, which is measured in dots per inch, DPI. A higher DPI gives more detail to your image. You can set the desired image size by adjusting the width and height fields. To maintain the image's proportions, check the Keep Aspect Ratio box. Just enter one value, and the other will adjust automatically. The projected file size will appear at the bottom of the panel. Once you're satisfied with your adjustments, click the Apply button. If you need to start over, simply click Reset. For more PhotoPad tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.